which was a I can't remember what it is. It was the not equal to question, right? So the p-value for the greater than was 0.0403, but it wanted it for the not equal to, which means if we were looking at like the app, you would want two tails, the area of two tails instead of just one. So you multiplied that p-value by 2 and got 0.081 or something, and that was the answer. Literally just multiplied it by 2.
Wow.
I'm glad I figured it out too because it was driving me insane.
And then 17, do we just need to look at that video?
Go ahead.
Well, 17 is just we had all of that information in the Excel sheet. Yeah, you can watch the video and you can see him do it. But essentially you take the low end of the confidence interval and the upper end, and you subtract them from each other. Now it has to be a positive number. Just know that you take that number and it's positive, and then divide it by 2 to get the number in the middle, and that's your margin of error.
So if you end up subtracting it, like on the quiz, if we went back and did it, if you ended up subtracting it and you end up with the negative number, you just multiply it times -1 and make it positive.
Oh.
So it be a positive number. When I remember, like back 2 lessons ago, I remember you doing that one time for the margin of error. Yeah, you're doing that for like back when we were using Z, but it was like, no, we had to use the formula or whatever.
For
so
the
now,
unknown sigma.
Right. So now this time it's the way you originally wanted to do it.
So upper end, lower end, minus, so you get a positive and you times that by 2.
You just find the difference between the upper and the lower end and divide it by 2, which makes sense because the margin of error is going to be on either,
Oh, goodness.
That's not the formula that he originally gave us.
No.
And it's not
anywhere. Like I
guess
see it anywhere in the book. I don't know.
You just pulled a quick one on us.
No.
Yeah.
Joke's on us.
There's that.
All right. Are we ready to play?
I have so many different windows open for so many different classes.
Oh, goodness.
I've got the quiz up and I'm opening the fancy Excel files.
Yeah.
Okay, guy. Okay, tell me when you guys are ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. I'm just pulling up my Excel stuff too. Dentist office bells.
I'm the slacker. I'm not ready. Hold on.
Slacker.
I'm working. I know. I'm getting there. Is anyone else doing the exam review?
I think I
Yeah.
Or is everybody working?
It's on what day is it again?
It's like a thing.
It's like the middle of the day.
It's November 28th. It's like 2:30.
I'm working, dang it.
I think my issue is picking up kids.
I know.
They won't be here.
Oh, I work.
Are you gonna go, Megan?
Yeah, I think so. I don't think I'm working.
No.
Okay.
I'll go.
Okay. Alrighty. So when calculating anything, what requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? All that apply.
Oh, the one time I don't write these down because I feel like they're the same for each one. I just write down.
I know.
back.
Dang it.
I know, me too.
I feel like it's always like a simple random sample.
Right?
It's a select all. So you need
It needs to be normal, right?
A simple random sample is drawn from each population.
you need the sample data. Differences are normally distributed,
Sammy. I'm sorry, Papa.
or a sample size is greater than 30.
So X bar is normally distributed for each group. So A and B. And then
And doesn't this sample size have to be the same?
No.
I don't think so.
The ones that we did for the assignments, the sample
Those are
sizes were
different.
different. Yeah.
That's
they
being
were-
impaired.
So that
Weird, but
I'm trying to think. I don't think C is it either because it's going to be the mean of 1 and the mean of 2. So that one's not it either. So I think it's just A and B.
I agree with that.
Okay.
Okay. The test statistic for a hypothesis test is comparing two means with an independent sample is
It's a T score, right?
T-score.
yes.
What's an F statistic?
That's in chapter 15. Just kidding. I don't know.
I was like, oh my gosh, you went ahead.
I know, I was like, gosh, go ahead.
Oh,
Simmer
heaven.
down.
I'm just messing.
Those two samples are independent. If knowing which subjects will be in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects will be in group 2, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
because A is the matched pairs. Like fathers and sons.
Oh, it's our dentist one.
Time for math.
Woohoo! Pull up the calculators.
I was doing algebra with my son all day today.
So you should be all warmed up.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the degrees of freedom? So let's plug that into our 2-sample t-test for means.
Yep.
I know. I don't think they really explained that when I started doing the homework, and I was super confused. And I was using the differences one, and I'm like,
Oh,
it
no.
is not computing.
Mm-mm.
But I finally figured it out. Okay. So the DF, wouldn't it be 38?
Hold on, I haven't been there yet.
I know. Oh, it says round to 3 decimal places.
It's official. I need a mouse. I need a...
They're super cheap.
Although I've suffered halfway through, maybe I should just continue on.
No,
I got one and then lost this stupid little USB, and then you can't like buy those separately.
So you're out.
I was so annoyed. So I was like, I'm not buying another one because it's like 17 bucks. Okay.
okay. So 99 is going there.
99.
For the
Where are
confidence,
you?
Oh,
Wait,
the
isn't it?
confidence interval? No, the confidence interval is 90, I thought. 0.9.
oh yeah, you're right. My bad.
You're shrucking me out.
I get fast, girl. Just kidding.
Yes.
And then we're greater.
We're less
right?
than.
Okay.
Which one?
Less than? Yes? No?
Somebody said greater than, so are we greater? Or?
I have no
I
clue.
started to say greater, and then I mistaken
Less,
myself.
less than the mean of the bill at the Rexburg office.
Gotcha.
So it would be less than?
And then assume equal variances? Oh, no. Assume no. Okay.
All right, that's what it says
This
now.
would be no unless told otherwise. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that comment.
Thank you.
freedom. Why are my degrees of freedom weird?
37.
What is
37.
0.99?
Yeah, 37.996.
Yeah. That's
What
right.
does that round to though?
37.996.
I'll have to round it.
Because it's 3 decimal places.
So what is it then?
37.996.
Okay, so we're not rounding. We're leaving it as is because there's
Well,
nothing.
yeah, because it's 3 decimal places.
True. Well, I shut up. Cool.
Standard deviation for Rex. What row?
So do we have to put that in? We have to put that in the other one, right?
Why doesn't it like automatically populate?
So Idaho. So it's the second. So it's going to be the variable 2.
I feel like I need to change the name.
What happened?
Oh, to get it right. Yeah. So it's going to be the Rexburg office. So
Pops up right there.
So, wait. Sample standard deviation of the Rexburg office.
Don't you have to plug that into the? What am I missing? Oh no. Never
It's
mind.
here. It's under variable 2.
206.637.
Yes, 206.637.
yes.
I love Excel.
Right? Maybe I
I
like
was
that.
I'm just thinking, like, what did they do before Excel?
By hand.
Ugh. What is the test statistic?
So this one confuses me if it's supposed to be negative because like in the prep assignment, it was like plus or minus the same number.
Well, let's, for the purposes of what it says on Excel, let's do the negative, and if it's not right, we'll change it.
Okay.
0.434. Is that what you have?
Negative.
Negative.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And the p-value is 0.333.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. 0.333.
0. Point.
And that
Here.
is greater
Fail.
significance.
What is the correct?
Felt rejected.
We are not rejecting it because it's greater than.
Exactly.
Instead. Wait.
Mhm.
Wait. Hold up. We have insufficient evidence that
Wait.
it's different, right?
I think it's D. We have insufficient evidence that the mean decibels between the two cities are the same.
Okay.
Well,
Or I could be wrong.
our null hypothesis, our alternative is that the mean of one is not the same as the mean of the other.
I think it's B.
Yeah, isn't it B?
We have insufficient evidence that the mean decibels between the two cities are different.
So we cannot prove that there's a difference between the two means.
I see what you're saying. Yes, I agree with you.
I don't like these things where it's like we fail to read. Like I don't like the double negatives.
Yeah, I cannot wrap my head around those.
Well, I have to look at the, because it's opposite. If you reject it, then it's sufficient. If you fail to reject it, it's insufficient.
Yeah, it's so confusing.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Question.
We fail to reject the null. I don't know what to say. My brain isn't doing it right now.
I think go.
When we do not reject the null, that means that there is no evidence to prove the alternative hypothesis. And the alternative hypothesis is that there is a difference between the two means.
Sounds good.
Whatever. I don't know. I could be wrong. We'll find out. I'm sure.
No, I believe you. I just
I do too.
doing it right now.
Number of times a month. Well, that answers that question.
What?
You don't have to have the same number of who's
Yeah.
wants it.
Yeah. For the next data set. This data represents cook their dinner in a month. Let U1 represent the mean number of times a month. You
So
suspect
change
that
the confidence level to 0.95 and the type of test to not equal to, right?
I'm slow. I'm still setting it up. Null hypothesis.
Okay, so it is it would be not equal to, correct?
Yeah, because it just has a different number. It doesn't say like more or less.
No, there's an equal signs in between it.
Yeah. And then for 12, actually.
You suspect that the freshman a different number of times. Yes. So we're saying B
Yeah.
That's what I think. Yeah.
for 12.
Mhm.
And then for a test statistic, did you get 0.845?
Yeah.
Yes.
P-value 0.411.
Yeah.
0.411.
0.411.
Quick like lightning.
Yes.
0.45.
0.411. Yes.
You failed to reject the null.
I think we always fail to reject it.
Most of the time, yes.
Wait, isn't the level of significant? Oh yeah, you're right. I need to go to bed.
Determine a 95% confidence interval for U1 minus difference between
Oh,
so it's that margin of error.
Okay, so how do we do this?
So we have to get the confidence interval, but we have to change it to 95%. Oh, it is 95%.
Yeah.
So is this, do we have to change it to less than? No. What's happening?
So are we doing negative or 5.147 minus 2.214?
What's your confidence? That's your confidence interval?
Mm-hmm. Is that your guys's?
Yeah.
Well, it's not. What did I do wrong? So, confidence level.
That wasn't mine, and then I clicked somewhere else, and it like updated to that.
Is that yours, Kelsey?
Yeah, 5.147.
Okay.
Is the upper end?
Yeah. Okay. I got it now.
Yeah, it like didn't. It wasn't at first, and then it updated. So
I'm confused about this information. Can I ignore that and just do the margin of error?
Hmm?
No, just ignore me.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit over here and do my thing really quick.
I got 7.361 as the first number, the difference.
I thought we just minused them.
But you're minusing a negative.
Yeah, so you have to subtract it, but then multiply it times -1.
So my margin of error is 3.696.
Let me see. Divide
Hold on. Do you do 5.147 first or 2.214? You have 2.214.
Either way,
Okay, 5.
it doesn't matter. So I set it up.
Well, I got a different number than you, Meg.
I just realized because I did it wrong.
Okay,
number.
I really understand how to get to 7.361, and then I don't get it.
So
By 2, and that's your margin of error.
-2.214 minus 5.147. So it's negative, I want positive, so I'm gonna multiply it times -1. Divide by 2 gives me 3.681.
I have,
divided by 2.
That's what that number divided by 2.
but I have 3.680, Megan.
Yeah, that's what I got too. But you see,
you gonna round?
So it's 381.
Wait, so once you get the 3.68, oh wait, that's the divided by 2.
The answer, yeah.
Okay, got
So
it.
3.681.
That's what I got.
Oh yeah, 3.681.
And then our lower bound is negative 2.214.
Let me pull this up.
My gosh, there's more questions. It never ends.
Seriously.
I'm sorry, 17. Input the lower bound. So the lower bound was the negative 2.214.
Then upper 5.147.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
We're done.
Oh. Okay. Do we want to strategize that?
I'll go first.
Okay.
I'm so glad you guys were able to figure out that margin of error stuff. It was
We missed
driving me
2.
crazy.
Miss-
Dang it!
2.
Yep. We missed.
Which,
Let me see. Well, actually, we missed 4.
What?
what?
No, that's a lie. We missed 3. Okay, so we missed the last 2, which I'm not sure. I'm not sure how. Okay, tell me what numbers you guys have for 17 and 18.
Negative 2.214 and 5.147.
Yeah, that's not it. And then what other one did we miss? The test. What did you guys put in for number 13?
0.845.
Yep, that's not right either.
What? How is that possible?
Oh, do you think we need to do the T equals?
No, we got the margin of error right.
How do you get the margin of error right if your lower and upper bounds are wrong?
I don't understand how we got the margin of error, but our bounds are not correct.
That's like so weird.
Oh my gosh.
And our p-value was right. So it's like our numbers are obviously right. Right? Like, because you can't get a correct p-value without correct numbers. So I have no idea how we would change those
Right.
at all. I have no idea.
Let me look at the.
And put the lower bound. My gosh.
At least we got question number 3 right.
Yeah, I'm not worried about that one. Well, can we talk about what was the other one we missed too? Like, how did we get
The T one.
How do we get 13?
Like it just in Excel. Like, how do you get it wrong?
Exactly. So which other one we missed? 13, and we missed 17 and 18.
13, 17, and 18. I don't understand how that.
It doesn't make sense.
If we have the information in correctly.
Do you think we should make the T one? I don't know. It sounds far-fetched, but maybe make it negative? I don't know what else.
I'm going to switch the places of like the two data sets and see if that changes anything. That makes sense. So like put
Yeah.
variable, yeah.
Gotcha.
So that negates it. So that actually changes it to the negative. So maybe we should try that.
On 13?
Yeah, so that changes it to negative 0.845.
Does it change the confidence interval?
It changes it to the
Student
opposite.
from Colorado.
So it would give us the same answer regardless.
I wonder if
Because it's now negative 5.147 and positive 2.214. So
because it says let mu1 represent the number of times a month that a Colorado student cooks dinner. And U2 represent this mean for Utah students.
So I put it in opposite.
So I wonder if we were supposed to have Colorado as variable 1 and Utah as variable 2.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put these in and see if it's right, okay?
Just switch the positive and negative ones.
And then for 17, well, let me just submit it and see if it's even right before I go into all that detail.
Are you doing 17 and 18?
Yeah, I changed them.
And 13, right?
Yeah. Okay, that was right.
Okay.
So all we do is switch them.
Just to clarify, 13 is negative 0.845.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
17 is negative 5.147.
Yes.
And 18 is 2.214.
Correct.
Okay.
5.147, negative 5.147, and then just positive 2.214.
Yeah.
We were like, how can we have the correct margin of error?
Really?
That makes sense, though. That I'm glad it was that simple and not
I know. And rack our brains crazy.
email professors about and
Yay!
gonna be like bombarded, I'm sure.
Oh gosh, it says view feedback on all of them. Oh, that's nice. Finally.
Should we set up a time for later?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me go grab my planner real quick. I'll be right back.
Okay. I'm so tired.
Too. I've been doing homework all day because I work the whole last part of the week, so it's like everything has to be done.
I have like really slacked off this week because I've been so sick. I can't study when I'm sick. My brain doesn't work. So I'm going to be really screwed next week. Oh, I know.
It's hard when you're cloudy though, like you don't absorb things.
I like can't do it. Like I seriously can't.
I feel like it doesn't even, it's like 1,000 times worse. And then you are trying to do stuff and then like, I always learn something wrong. I set myself up for failure for.
I mean, today's the first day I could even like stay awake.
Are you still feeling sicky?
I mean, it's like cold, like a head now.
Dang it. Okay. I'm ready when you guys are.
I can do like Saturday day. Or
I work Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
I work Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
I could do Monday night, like later after work.
Okay, so Monday night then?
It'd have to be at like 8:30 Arizona time though.
I can do that.
I work that day too, apparently. So I didn't realize that. Okay. So I'll have to do it after work too.
Okay, so Monday, 8:30 Arizona time and 7:30 California time. Will that be all right, Melissa?
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then.
So since we have an exam, do we just have to do?
Oh, it's probably the exam review.
I'm wondering because last time we did an exam review in a chapter, so.
I'm not sure. It didn't. I was looking ahead.
There's a lesson 14,
Mhm.
and then lesson 15 is the exam review.
Oh,
Okay.
so it's like later in the week.
So the second one we do will be the exam review.
Okay, so lesson 14 will be our lesson.
When do you guys want to do the exam review then?
What days do we have to take the test? Isn't it just Tuesday? I mean, the 2nd and the 3rd?
It opens March 1st and ends March 3rd. And I think it's the same thing. Like, there's no group collaboration. We have to do the group meeting quiz by March 1st.
Oh, so.
But we don't have to post a video about it.
So I can do that. I mean, I can do that Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday night.
Me too.
Tuesday, I have something at 7:30, so I could.
I work Tuesday night.
Okay. Wednesday, I like work at my old facility, which means I could work like as late as 10. But if it's not crazy, I could like go into an office and do the meeting. But like there's things I wouldn't be able to make it. But you can always just go on without me. It's like if we don't have to post a video that week, it's not that big of a deal.
Or we could just do Thursday night. I don't care.
I can do Thursday.
I can do Thursday.
And I work, I mean, I don't know what you guys look like, but I work Thursday. So it's not like I'm going to want to be taking the test Thursday already. You know what I mean? Like,
I'm planning on taking it on Saturday because I work Friday.
right.
I could take it Friday.
Okay.
I can do Thursday.
So Thursday night, you want to do the same time, 19:30
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah.
For
Yeah,
us.
for California? Yeah.
Yeah, that works. You're still getting an education.
Oh my gosh, honestly. It's already time for another test.
I know.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, guys.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Good night.
All right.
Good
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Mm-hmm.